you eating Mummy's spaghetti? Hey? Are you eating Mama's spaghetti? Don't stick your feet in there. Get your feet out. Hey, don't stand in my spaghetti. Get out. Get out. Walking across my spaghetti. Now you got spaghetti toes. Hey? Now you got spaghetti toes. Silly boy. Yeah. You're so silly. You got spaghetti all over your face, too. You got spaghetti face. Hey? Here. Eat your spaghetti. Are you picking a video that you want to watch? You're so silly. You wiping your spaghetti all over the table? Make sure you clean it up. Now what are you gonna do? Don't get spaghetti all over the remote control. Big dopey bird. Okay? Come clean up all your mess. What you got? What you got? You got spaghetti? Mommy's got to get fresh spaghetti for me because you walked across mine. Hey? Mr. Spaghetti Toes. Walking across my spaghetti. Now I got to get fresh stuff for me.